Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I want us to talk about top 10 different AI training apps or AI training platforms that can actually help you to make some money online right here with your smartphone. So since AI has actually become a thing, and for AI to perform better, they actually need human beings to train AI. So I took my time to gather some platforms that actually works out right here in Nigeria that can help you to train AI just with your smartphone. Please mind you, I'm not saying after you finish watching this video you start making hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars every single day with your smartphone, because some of these platforms actually require some kind of qualification. Some of them you have to pass their training, some of them you have to go through their practice round, some of them you have to acquire some level of training for you to be accepted, while some of them don't really require much training. So you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you choose the one you like. Now mind you guys, this is not actually financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is just a list that I put together based on my personal preference. So you might have your own preference and you can choose whichever you like, whichever you want to go for, and whichever works best for you. See me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right here I talk about different side hustle ideas. I give out different side hustle ideas that might work out for you, especially right here in Nigeria. If you want to get more update from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Right, I'm doing this video by the weekend, so please just comment happy weekend in the comment section. I'll really appreciate that if you can do that for me. Thank you very much. So let's get started. Like I said, I gathered 10 platforms, but I'm going to give you extra one, making it 11 different platforms that you can choose from, right? So that's what I'm going to do today. So just pay attention. The first platform I want to talk about today is called Appen.com. So don't worry yourself, it's going to pop up on the screen, Appen.com. So if you go to Appen.com, you're going to see right here that they pay here for images, audios, labeling, different tags, and they actually pay here per tax. You can see, so they pay here per tax. You can help train the AI in different ways. Appen improve model performance through human AI collaboration. They say powering AI innovation for more than 25 years now. So with over 25 years of experience, according to what I'm seeing right here, which means it can be one of the best options to go for. So you can actually come here and go through Appen.com, sign up an account, see if you can actually use it, and if you actually like it, you can give it a try. The second platform on my list today is called Scale AI via Remotasks, via Remotasks.com. But the thing is that Remotasks actually shuts down operation. I don't know if it's temporarily or permanent for Nigerians, but you can actually you can see how Scale AI looks here, but I think you need to access it through Remotasks. They offer jobs like image annotation, content moderation, data labeling tasks. This is another platform that can help you train AI to make some money for yourself. All right, so the third on my list right here is called Clickworker. If you come down on Clickworker right here, you're going to see where they say make your AI system smarter with high quality factors. You can see they say AI training data. You can start AI training jobs. You can actually get different AI training jobs right here, and they can actually pay you for that. They have jobs like micro tax and data labeling, which means you can come down here, can start training AI right here. The fourth platform on my list today is called mturk.com or Amazon Mechanical Turk, right? It's a very popular platform for micro tax, crowdsourcing jobs. You can also use it for small labeling jobs, right? So the next platform on my list today is actually called CrowdGen, or you can call it CrowdGen by Appen. They pay you to take a micro tax. They pay you right here for you to contribute to training AI. You can see this is how their website actually looks like. You can see right here they say get paid to shape the future of AI. They have a very big community with over 265 languages and working in over 170 countries, over 1 million plus remote members, and in 2022 over 157 million earned in 2022 alone. So they have a very big community. Explore different types of tasks from field work to desk work. You can see, remember, you always have a choice of what you want. The next platform on my list today is called Jumptask.io. Now I know most of you know about Jumptask, but the Jumptask you know about is called Jumptask.com or Jumptask.online, but this particular one is called Jumptask.io. I think it is still from the same company, right? But if you come down to Jumptask.io right here, you're going going to see they say simple ways to make money online. If I scroll down, you can see they say turn your spare time into earnings today. Play games, take surveys, and explore other easy ways to make money online with Jumptask. 12 million people have registered on this platform. Take surveys, you can take surveys. Play games, you can play games. So social media tags, you can see share internet, test products, train AI. So you can see train AI. So this is the part that we are actually looking for, training of AI. So you can train AI right here and pay you, and you can even see watch ads, watch videos. You can use jumptask.io to train AI. If you want to see a video where I set up an account on these platforms, maybe one by one, you understand, first of all, comment account in the comment section, and secondly, make sure you join me on cden.com/solidpicturestv. That's actually where I drop my step-by-step tutorials on how you can go about things like this, you understand. Let's talk about the 7th platform on my list today, which is called Toloka AI. They have different kind of tasks that you can perform, and they also have tasks that you can also help train. Yeah, you can see they say training data sets, specialized data for agentic skills right here. So you can see they have different options right here on their website. Just come down here and go through it. Platforms like these might require some level of training or some qualification for you to actually get accepted, for you to start completing tasks on these platforms, for you to earn some money for yourself. Let's talk about the 8th platform on my list today, which is called Neevo.ai. Neevo.ai. Get paid to shape the future. They join Neevo and contribute to a smarter AI world. This is actually another platform right here that can actually help you to make money online just by training AI. You can see through solving captchas, through AI labeling. You can see, I think they also have voice, right? You can see they say transform text into audio. You can see this one is tag images. You tag images right there, and you can see they have different options, different things you can do right here for you to actually get paid, and they work in most countries right here. If you want to do AI labeling jobs, I think Neevo right here can help you achieve that, if it works in your location and if you like it, and also if they accept you. The next platform on my list today is actually called RWS communities, right? So RWS, they have their main website, but they also have their train AI community. For example, something like this, you can see this is their train AI community, but they have their main website. If you go to their main website, rws.com, you're not going to see all these ones. So this one is actually their train AI community. And so they say join train AI community. They say get community support, over 100k plus community members and over 400 plus languages. They say no experience required. This is what they said, though I'm not the one that said it. So no experience required. Anyone at any career level can join our train AI community. You can actually come down here and go through this their community. Right, so the top of my list today is actually called Mindrift.ai. They say join thousands of professionals contributing to AI advancement. You can see, while earning additional income from doing that. And they have over 6,000 plus AI tutors. They have $300 per week average pay. All right, so this is actually insane. So $300 per week, that is an average pay for an average user on the platform. Well, that sounds good. Test the model, review responses, train by example. If you like this platform, just visit mindrift.ai right here to check this out. Well, I told you guys I'm going to add something extra for you. So what I'm going to add for you, this platform right here is called Payout. Payout, they also pay you right here for completing different type of micro tasks. You can actually complete micro tasks, and one of the best parts that I want to talk about on Payout is the part where you solve captchas, right? Solving captchas, that is you training AI. You solve different captchas right here, and you actually get paid for solving captchas on Payout, right? So all what you have to do, you can visit Payout for you to get started, right? Or make sure you check the tutorial on my CDN account. Tell me the one you're going to try in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day, and bye for now.